I've taught you the A, C, B method. In this quadratic, the A is equal to, the C is equal to, A times C is 1. The B is equal to, what are two numbers that multiply to get 1 and add to get 6? There is none. So if you come to this situation,
You see if the marker can do it. If they can't,
you need to do the following procedure. It is called completing the square. Take the B value and divide it by 2 and square it. So the B value is 6 divided by 2 is, and then square that, 9. Okay? X squared plus 6x, same as the previous line. Now we're going to add to the end the B value divided by 2 squared, which you all said is 9. We're going to also minus that, and we're going to also carry this 1 to the end. So can you see how it's still equal to the line above? I haven't invented incorrect maths. Now, the whole point of this is I've created a new C value. My new C value is what? 9. So now I have a new C value, I can factorize it. And I also have not ruined the maths because I've also minus 9. I want to show you this visually. Let's have a regular square. The side of the square is x. Everyone with me so far? We've got a square. What's the area of this square?
X squared.
X squared. I'm going to add to the square a length. This length is 3. What is the size of this rectangle, the area? 3x. I'm going to do the same thing over here. And we also have 3x. Adding them together, what are they? 6x. So we have x squared, 6x. Are you ready? 3 times 3. What's the area in here? 9. I completed the square. It's now a square.
What time to figure this out? Like, who's like, I'm good.
Pythagoras.
Okay, so now I've completed the square. I've added a new c, which I've also minus. So plus 9 minus 9. We're going to factorize. So the first 3, what's the new AC? 9. And what's the new, or it's actually the same B? So what's two numbers that multiply to get 9, add to get 6? Very good. 3 and 3. Okay, so you factorize and you end up with that. Please make sure you add the minus 9 and the 1 at the end. Okay? So that is the whole point of completing the square. We turn our equation into one that we can factorize. So we're not finished yet. All right? So we can rewrite these brackets as x plus 3 squared. What about minus 9 plus 1? What does that become? Minus 8. Very good. Now, does that last line I just wrote look familiar? I'm hoping you can see a number squared minus a number squared. So we're using difference of perfect squares. Okay? So the A number is x plus 3. So in case you forgot difference of perfect squares, I'll just write it over here, sorry. If we have a number squared minus a number squared, it's equal to what? A minus B, very good. A plus B, A minus B. So we're turning this into something that looks like that purple writing. Minus, what's this? I'll show you what I mean. So we've taken the A number, or the square root of this, which is that, taken the square root of that, which is that, put them into two brackets. So the last step is to simplify the surd. Remember, 8 is 4 times 2, and the square root of 4 is 2. So now we have factorized an equation that you would look at instantly and go, I can't factorize that because I don't know a number that multiplies to get to 1 and adds to get to 6. Okay? So this is a special case called completing the square.